Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by switching to Pro or Manual mode and locking focus. This gives you full control. Once set, lower ISO to 100/400 to keep noise down and increase exposure time so the sensor gathers more light. Make sure you mount the phone on a tripod or steady surface and use a 2-3 second timer or remote shutter to eliminate shake. You want clean, sharp base frames before making finer adjustments in the next steps. Now refine exposure and focus so your night shot reads correctly. Start with a 1/10-second shutter and increase only if needed. Longer exposures reveal more detail but risk star trails or motion blur. If your phone has bulb mode, use it for exposures beyond 30 seconds, but monitor battery and heat. Manually focus to infinity or lock onto a bright subject, and then zoom in to confirm pin-sharp edges. Once done, check the histogram to avoid clipping in highlights or shadows. To finish, capture RAW files and bracket exposures so you have options in editing. You'll want several frames at slightly different exposures to combine or select the best. RAW keeps highlight and shadow detail. After shooting, apply gentle noise reduction and selective sharpening in post. If your images are blurry, first verify the phone is rock steady, then shorten exposure and raise ISO a stop or two. If noise increases, revert to bracketing and stack multiple frames to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.